Today I'm here at the Savannah riverfront, the Savannah River, and just checking out the river this afternoon. Quite a scene down here. We've got restaurants right on the river, and the World War II memorial there, the Hyatt Hotel. A riverboat down there, and one going out. Again, we're in Savannah, Georgia this afternoon, checking out the Savannah River from the Riverwalk area. We got a big bridge, a big boat down there, a freighter. Got this mast boat here. That's really cool. Okay, once again, we're going back around. Here on vacation in Savannah, Georgia. November the 3rd, 2012. On out. The riverboat is pulling out right now. We just passed some musicians on can't even talk. Sorry about that. Musicians on the Riverwalk here in Savannah, Georgia. Again, Savannah, Georgia, here on the Savannah River on Riverwalk. Once back around. Thanks again for watching our channel, Kentucky Adventurers. We'll catch y'all later. Hope you enjoyed the tour of Savannah, Georgia. Today I'm on vacation, November 3rd, 2012, as the riverboat sails away. We'll catch y'all later. Thanks again.